today we're going to be playing Find the Marker. So today I'm going to show you how to get Teapot marker and how to get Cough Drop marker. Okay, so the first step is to go to the mountain. Once you're in the mountain, drop down here and go into here. So first we're going to do Teapot marker. So you're going to type in Mr. Marker Maker. Then you're going to press enter. It will light up green, and then you will drop down here. And there is Teapot marker. Okay, so now for Cough Drop marker. So you're going to type in Hill Rock. And then press enter. A person will say something, and once that screen pops away, then press Hill Rock again. And it'll say, why do you keep trying? And something like that. And then you type in Hill Rock one more time, and it will give you the marker. Thank you guys for watching. I hope this was helpful. Bye!